pots. Mix them up however you like. That was amazing! Well done! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the... Great! Super! We all love your train set. Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Left leads to Titmouth Sheds. Right leads to the Rolling Bridge. The Rolling Bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Excellent! Thanks for helping out. Choose a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Super! Oh no! It looks like something is blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? Wow! Great! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. Help by dragging them back in. Well done! Thanks for helping out. Time to pick a